Now, worksheet number 11 of Everyday Maths. Yes, Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are starting worksheet number 11 of Everyday Maths. Question number 1. Restaurant often add a service charge of 10% to your bill if a meal for two costs 28.60. How much service charge will be added? So, if a meal for two costs 28.6 pounds, how much service charge will be added? Means 10% of this. So 28.6 multiplied by 10%. And 10% is 10 divided by 100. So the final answer is 2.86 pounds. ये आपके पास क्या हो जाएगा? Service charge, right? Question number 2. In a survey of 348 dog owners, it was found that 103 bought pedigree chum dog food. What percentage of the market prefer this food? Right? So 103, how can we calculate 103 divided by total 348 multiplied by 100%? What is the answer? 29.5%. Hopefully it is clear. Next, question number 3. Your employer offered to raise your weekly wage by 10% or £10. Which should you choose and why? Yes, here. If, for example, someone has wage 100 pounds, right? So, increment of 10%, increment of 10%, and increment of 10 pounds. 10% of 100 pounds is 10. Increment of 10 pounds is again increment of 10. अगर 100 pounds वेज होती है तो कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है 10% हो या 10 pounds हो, लेकिन अगर 90 हो गया तो इसका 10% क्या हो जाएगा 9 और इसका फिक्स इंक्रीमेंट 10 हो गया। और अगर 110 हो जाए 110 अगर हो जाए तो फिक्स इंक्रीमेंट 10 और 10% क्या हो गया 11। सो अब आप देखिए 10% इंक्रीमेंट कब चाहिए इफ वेज इज greater than 100, 10 pounds if wedge is lesser than 100. Is this clear? 35,000 car accident, 17.7% happened on Friday. So how many of accident occurred on Friday? So 3,500,000 multiplied by 17.7 divided by 100. What is the answer? 6195. 6195 accident occurred on Friday. Now, question number 5. In the same survey, 3213 accident happened in November. What percentage of the total number car accident occurred in November? Total 35,000 थे हमारे पास 35,000 minus 3213 divided by 35,000 multiplied by 100%. What is the answer? What is the result? बेटा इसका फॉर्मूला क्या है? Difference divided by original multiplied by 100%, right? So the difference is 35,000 minus 3213 divided by original multiplied by 100%. 19. चेक कर लेता हूँ. बच्चों, there is a mistake in the question. जरा देखिएगा in the solution. Wait, बेटा total we have 3213. Total we have 35,000 multiplied by 100%. Confusion थी. Yes. What is the result now? 9.18. 9.18%. This is the correct solution. Now, a survey on teenage smoking found that 70% of the girls of secondary school age tried smoking. 36 of those who tried it become addicted to cigarettes. In a secondary school with 580 female students, how many girls would you expect to find had tried smoking? Tried smoking means 70%. 580 multiplied by 70%. What is the answer? 580 multiplied by 70 divided by 100. 416. 406. Tried smoking. How many girls would you expect to find become addicted? Out of 406, 36% addicted. 146 girls addicted. Yes, in a village with 250 on the electoral roll, 80% voted in the total in the local elections. How many voted? So, in the A part, 80% of 250. Multiply by 80%. What is the answer? 200. In the B part, of those who voted, 37.5% voted Labour. How many did Labour receive? Okay. So 200 multiplied by 37.5%. 75. What fraction of the those? What fraction of those eligible to vote voted Labour? 75 divided by 250. What fraction? 3 upon. A holiday company offers a 5% discount on all holidays booked before 31st December the previous year. How much will a family pay for a holiday whose advertised price £996? क्या हो जाएगा जनाब? 996 multiply by 5%. What is the answer? 49 point. Therefore, the final result will be 996 minus 49.8. What is the answer? 946.2. This is the result. Question number 10. बच्चों, जेनी एंड रॉबर्ट के बारे में बात हो रही है जनाब. फाइंड जीन्स ऑन सेल एट $19.99 a pair. The exchange rate is $1.47. $1.47 equals to £1. Calculate the price of pair of jeans in pound. Now, in the first part, exchange rate is $1.47 equals to £1. So $1 equals to $1 1 upon 1.47 pounds, and $19.99 $19.99 equals to 19.99 divided by 1.47. What is the answer? 13.6 pounds. ये पेयर कितने का आ गया बेटा? 13.6 पाउंड्स का आ गया. ये पेयर कितने का आ गया? 13.6 का आ गया. Now, Jenny and Robert buy 80 pairs of jeans to sell in England. They have to pay 10% duty on them when they arrive back in England. 80 pairs of jeans to sell in England. England में sell करने के लिए 80 pairs लिए इन्होंने. They have to pay 10% duty on them when they arrive back in England. Calculate the total cost of jeans including DUT. With duty हमें total cost calculate करनी है. तो आइए जनाब करते हैं. एक पेयर ऑफ जीन कितने का आ रहा है? 19.99. इनको कितने पेयर बाय कर दें? 80 पेयर्स. सो 19.99 multiply by 80. What is the result? 1599.2 multiply by 10%. What is the answer? 17. Only I'm asking about the 10% of this. So it will be 159.92. Add both of them. Add both of them. So what is the final answer? 1758.4. This is the total amount they have to pay when they arrive back in England, right? आगे देखिएगा. They sell 4/5 of the jeans at 27 pounds a pair. How much do they receive from this sale? This is part B and now part C. Total jeans कितनी थी? 80. Multiply by 4/5. Multiply by 27. What is the result? 1728 रिसीव हो गए इनको. हाँ हाँ पाउंड रिसीव हो गए इनको. पाउंड रिसीव हो गए इनको 4/5 जीन सेल करने में. यस. हाँ टोटल इनके पास कितने पेयर से बेटा? 80. 4/5 सेल कर दिए इन्होंने. 80 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4/5. किस रेट में? 27 पर पेयर. तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 27. So the answer is 1728 pounds receive हो गए. Okay. After that, part D. Jenny sells the remainder of the jeans at £5. अब remaining jeans रह कितनी गई? हाँ 80 multiplied by 1/5. These are the remaining jeans. Multiply by £5. What is the answer? 118. So the 80 multiplied by 1/5 into 5, the result is 80. अब आपसे पूछा गया what is the total amount of money? So total amount of money is 1728 plus 80. 1808 is the total amount they receive. After that, in the E part, expense the profit made as a percentage of the total expenditure. अब total amount इनके पास आई कितनी है जनाब? 1808 और इन्होंने परचेज कितने में किया था? 1758.4. सब्ट्रैक्ट कीजिए. 49.6 divided by total expenditure कितने थे? 1758.4 multiply by 100%. What is the answer? Multiply by 100%. 20%? 20%? Okay, students, here the last part, express the profit made as a percentage of the total expenditure. अब आप देखिए प्रॉफिट कितना हो हमारे पास, लास्ट कितनी अमाउंट बची हमारे पास 1808, और हमने यहां पर टोटल कॉस्ट कितनी आई थी हमारे पास 1758.4. हमने क्या किया 1808 माइनस 1758.4 किया तो क्या आ गया, प्रॉफिट आ गया. बट देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम हियर बच्चों, 1758.4 is in dollar and 1808 is in pounds. So first convert 1808 pounds into dollar. So conversion will be 1808 multiplied by 1.47. So 1808 multiplied by 1.47 will be 2657.76. अब आइए वर्किंग यहां पर करते हैं. 1808 की जगह पर क्या आएगा बच्चों, 1808 की जगह पर क्या आएगा 2657.76. जब सब्ट्रैक्ट किया गया तो व्हाट इज द आंसर 899.36 divided by 1758.4 multiplied by 100%. 51.1% is the profit. Hopefully it is clear. क्या कंफ्यूजन हो गई थी, यूनिट्स नहीं देख पाए थे हम, यूनिट्स का सेम होना जरूरी है. Is this clear? That's great. Next time inshallah we'll do the next exercise. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.